Number 9, we need to solve for x. X is inside parentheses, and it's also got this exponent of 15. What you need to do first is isolate your parentheses. So let's divide both sides by 1.3. Leave it in that fractional form. Do not convert it to a rounded decimal because you will have rounding error. And now we have 4 plus 0.08 over x to the 15th power. We're trying to make our way to that x. We need to get rid of the 15. The way we do that is we raise both sides to the 1 over 15. Let me put that 1 over 15 before I forget on both sides. We have a law of exponent that says if you have x to the a to the b, I call it power to power, you multiply your exponents. And if you multiply 15 times 1 over 15, you get 1. So now we have 2 divided by 1.3 to the 1/15th power equals 4 plus 0.08 over x. Looks better, a little better. Let's clear our fractions by multiplying every term on both sides by x. So now I have 2 divided by 1.3 raised to the 1 over 15th, and that's nasty, but just leave it alone, it's okay, equals 4x, and then those x's cancel, you're left with 0.08. Now, get your x's on the same side. It would be nice if you could combine them, subtract 4x both from both sides and be able to combine, but we've got this nasty 2 divided by 1.3 to the 1/15th x minus 4x. That's the best I can do. Now I see 2 x's. I only want to see 1 x. I need to factor out that x. I'm going to use some brackets here. And that will leave me 2 over 1.3. Of course, it's raised to the 1/15th. Minus 4 equals 0.08. Now divide both sides by this factor and you'll have the answer. So this is x equal 0.08 divided by 2 divided by 1.3 to the 1/15th minus 4. Use your calculator and you'll get negative 0.0269. If you need help with your calculator, then come to office hours, or I can set up a time that's convenient for you. I have a TI-84, and what I do is start with the denominator, and I calculate that, and then I store it, and then I just do 0.08 divided by, recall. And part of this quant camp will be learning how to use your calculator. Number 10 is very similar. Let's divide both sides by 6.23. So that's 1.59 divided by 6.23 equals 5 minus x over 4 to the 10. Okay, what do? I need to get rid of the 10th. So I'm going to raise both sides to the 1/10. Raise both sides to the 1/10. And this is 1.59 divided by 6.23 to the 1/10. Now you could call that, you could change that to a decimal if you wanted to. I'm just going to leave it like it is. And that's 5 minus x over 4. Okay, now let's multiply everything by 4 to clear my fractions. So that's going to give me, it's going to be a nasty calculator problem. 1.59 divided by 6.23, and that's raised to the 1/10. And I'm going to multiply it by 4. I'm going to put the 4 right there. Equals 5 times 4 is 20 minus x. So what do I have here? I need to subtract 20 from both sides. So that will be 4. I'm going to change colors just so you can kind of run out of room. Let me move up a little bit. Hold on. That's going to give me 4 times that nasty 1.59 over 6.23 raised to the 1/10 minus 20. Subtract 20 from both sides. And that leaves me a negative x. Now let me check myself. 4, 1.59, 1/10 minus 20 equal negative x. So that gives me, that I use my calculator, and that gives me negative 16.5160 equals a negative x. And then multiply both sides by negative 1 or divide, and you'll get positive 16.5160. And I believe that's it.